You
ain't
never
never
Florida
Florida,
at this
Lord.
hard before, have you?
They got a... Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is that the microwave as a mailbox? I mean... So they just... I mean, it's interesting. I mean, maybe if they would have fixed it up, painted it or something, it would... You know what I'm saying? It just looked like someone just... They would probably think it need to be thrown in the trash, just sitting up there. That's what it looked like. Something just picked up. Somebody just pick it up. I don't know. Maybe they got it glued down or something. I don't know. But it is. I wouldn't think there's no damn mailbox. Even I don't know about that, y'all. But y'all watch that again. What y'all thinking?